Today I want to share a brief tutorial on NoveList K-8. For those of you who aren't familiar with this tool, it's a database whose secret weapon is keeping track of great books. It is a division of EBSCO and can be used to find books on a specific topic or books similar to your favorite read. Let's dive in. When you log into NoveList K-8, you are brought to the home screen, where you can browse by recommended reading lists. You can find books that you might be in the mood for. You can look at different genre groupings, and you can even see featured award winners. Perhaps the most utilized area is the search bar, and that is what we are going to use today. For the purpose of our assignment, we're going to search for books on discrimination and exclusion. I'm going to start by typing in the word discrimination into the search bar and hitting search. As you can see, we're presented with 411 results. The nice thing about NoveList is the ability to refine your results. If you navigate to the left-hand sidebar, you can select limiters that might help narrow down the number. Another option you can use, if you would like to be even more specific, is to perform an advanced search. If you go back up to the top and click Advanced Search, you will see that you are presented with a number of limiters to select and narrow down the results provided. You can search by different modes, you can add additional fields, you can refine your publication date, select only award winners or starred reviews, as well as many other features. For this particular assignment, I am going to select grade 5 and see what type of results we get. I've clicked that and now I'll hit the search button. We have dropped down to 144 titles, which seems a little bit more manageable. I'm going to click into Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry and see what a record looks like. As you can see, we're presented with an image of the book, a little bit about the title, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, and the level it's recommended for. If you scroll down, you can see that it's recommended for grades 4 through 6. You can see what lists and articles the title appears on. This particular book was a Newbery Medal winner and was on the Young Reader's Choice Award. You can also view what reviews have been provided for the title. This particular example shows a Kirkus review from 1976. One of my favorite features of NoveList is the read-alike sidebar that's presented when you're looking at a title. You can scroll down to see pictures of the books, or you can select View All and be presented with a list of titles as well as the reason it was chosen as a read-alike. If we go back, we can also look at another feature that I found really helpful in NoveList, which is the search history. If you click on this, you can see all the searches you've performed during your session, what limiters you've selected for that search, and the results provided. This can be extremely helpful when performing searches on a number of different keywords or titles and needing to reference what your first or second search might have been. Overall, NoveList K-8 is a very useful tool that can be used to find books on a specific topic, as well as a great new read that is similar to items you've enjoyed in the past.